Hey, welcome to Tuesday's Tips, Tools, Techniques, Tactics, something that you can use in your real estate business. This is Jesse with Rich Agent Coaching, and listen, this is a really cool tip that takes a couple of seconds to explain, but it solves one of those little crap, I really wish I could do that kind of questions. And by the way, the shaky cam is back. So nonetheless, here is today's tip, and it's really cool. I don't know if you've ever been like me where you've put a list together in Microsoft Word, and then later after you've put that list together you go, gosh, it'd be great if I had that in an Excel spreadsheet. Maybe what you've done is you've taken that list, you've added things next to it, and it would just be nice to be able to maybe put a few spaces in there, add some things to it, and maybe make it a little easier to search and manipulate, maybe use that data. Well, there's a great, easy, simple way to do that. I had looked around for a lot of online resources, but the problem with a lot of those is they take the Word document and then they put it into an Excel spreadsheet, but you can't use the data from the Word document. Frustrating. But if you go into Word and then you save it as a text, and you'll find that as an option when you are going to go save the document. First, save it as whatever your original name for that document is, but then go back and save it as for a second time, and then look at that little drop down list where it asks for the file type, and you'll see text as one of the options. So if you click that, save it as that, now close out of Word, open up Excel. Now you can open that text file as an Excel document. You may have to play around with just a little bit of the formatting, but it won't be very much. And I'll tell you, it has worked amazingly well for me. And so I just wanted to pass that along to you. I hope you're able to use it, and I hope it makes a big difference for you. Listen, in the meantime, I want you to have a phenomenal week. Go take a great listing or two, make a couple of great sales, and hey, I'll talk to you next week. Take care.